Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to use image, video or GIF as a cover screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So as a first step, open settings on your phone and scroll down until you will see this tab named cover screen. Click on it, and to create a new wallpaper, click add new. Here you'd be able to see this tab named gallery, in which you can choose from which folder you want to add the image. For example, recent, videos, camera or download. I will choose recent, and right here you'd be able to see image, GIF and video. You can add only one or you can add all of them. I will choose all of them and click done. On this tab you'd be able to personalize all of these items. For example, zoom it, just like this. If we click on this clock, we can change the clock style and even change the color of clock. Now, if you want to personalize another item, click on this layer button right here and choose whichever you want to personalize. Just like this. And after you are done with the changes, click done. And your new wallpaper is created. Now let's test it. So, as we know, the cover screen works only when the phone is folded. Now, to see our wallpaper, we would need to double tap on the screen and we can see our photo. Now, if we double tap again, the cover screen will fall asleep. Now, double click again and we can see our GIF. And again, we would be able to see our video. And that's it. Now you know how to use image, video and GIF as a cover screen wallpaper. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.